Hi everyone, and especially to you that's watching this video. This is just a video to show you an easy way to make your curtains shorter without taking them from the railings. So yeah, let me just show you quickly. Okay, all what I do is just measure while it's hanging the length you want. I find it that the easiest way for me is to try and measure it from with a measuring tape. So you just measure where you would like your curtain to be. I always like it almost on the floor. So then you just put a pin in by the fold, and then by the top again. And now, if you want, you can cut it off. I don't like to do that. I rather just give it a large seam than to cut off any of the curtain. Okay, and then you do the same on the other side as well, because this is the side you actually start to sew. And then we'll make sure, you know. Okay, so I just want to use my ironing board. I put my machine on the board because it's a nice height, and I almost stand while I'm doing it. And you won't believe me, I cannot work the feet of my machine with shoes on. So yeah. But then you take the side first from you and just put it underneath and you start to sew. And just trying to keep it in a straight line. And you know, the same way. And there you go. And then you just do the same, take off your machine, get your iron, and you just iron it quickly. And you can do it exactly the same when you make curtains longer. Just roll it down and take out the seam and just iron it flat. That's all. Much better than taking it off the railing and do all those measurements and hang again. So yeah, there you go, and there's shortened. So quick and easy. Now I just have to do that side one as well, and then I'm finished. Then I can start with my room. Bye.